All right, what is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. I want to talk about how to increase your Facebook ad ROAS as soon as today, okay? And a couple things that I would be implementing right now where you could literally increase your ROAS by probably 2 to 3x the amount in these next 24 hours. And the first thing I want to go over is tracking. Right now with iOS 14 and iOS 15, 40 to 60% of your leads and purchases are not being tracked. Even add to carts, even initiate checkouts, add payment infos, view content, all these, events that Facebook tracks are not getting tracked as well. Also conversion values. Sometimes Facebook is missing your upsell conversion values in the conversion value of your Facebook ad campaigns. So I'm going to go over a couple of softwares right now that you could obviously invest in, pricing, and what makes sense for you. If you're an e-com store right now, you want to use Surge. One of my, I would say, fellow Facebook ad marketers, Chase Capel, he made this software, Surge. And also I would use ROAS and Wicked Reports. Okay, so those are the three main ones that I would recommend. Surge is more strictly just for Facebook and Shopify only. It doesn't do TikTok or Google ads yet. Okay, they haven't uploaded those integrations, but the pricing is very, very affordable. If you're on ROAS, ROAS is more expensive. ROAS can go to $1,000 a month. Depends on if you have like a bulk agency account. ROAS is going to cost you a lot more. And, they don't really show you pricing because it's more high ticket. Okay. And, a lot of these apps, you're not getting 40 to 60% of your tracking. So you're wasting 40 to 60% of your ad budget because you don't even know what's working and what's not working. Wicked Reports is, I believe, $5.97 a month or $6.97 a month. Yeah, it's $5.97 a month. And it's not really like they help you set it up. They'll get on Zoom calls with you. They give you a rep. Like, it's pretty good. But if you're a Shopify store right now who has like a tight budget, who is only running Facebook and Instagram right now, just get Surge. It's a lot cheaper. These price, it's like $79 to $129. So if you're getting, I would say less than 325 visitors a day, then you could probably pull off the $79 a month. But just to be safe, just spend the extra $50 and you'll get way more. It does auto scaling too. You can get staff accounts, data retention period extension, and downloadable reports. So that's definitely a bigger asset. Also, it can do 2 ad accounts and 2 businesses. Meanwhile, this one only does 1 ad account, 1 business. So I would definitely be pushing that $129 a month. That makes way more sense. So yeah, there is that. And then ROAS does, Google ads, TikTok, literally everything that could use a UTM parameter. Okay. ROAS is the one that we use. ROAS is like very expensive, but we have bulk, agency accounts that we get good pricing from where it's as low as like $3.97 an account, only if you're a client. Okay. Wicked Report, same thing. The more accounts that we have, the cheaper it is. We have over 150 accounts. So, we have like very good pricing on this. So yeah, that's the first way, is fixing your tracking. Because right now, if you're on your Facebook Ads Manager and you don't have one of these tools, you're spending money where maybe it's really not working and you think it is because Facebook's telling you that your cost per purchase is $13. Meanwhile, if you use tracking software, it could really be maybe $39 a purchase and you're getting misled because Facebook's not reporting correctly. Even through the conversions API, still not, reporting correctly. Okay. That's the first thing is your tracking. Second thing is your, conversion rates on your landing page that can help you increase your ROAS, because if your conversion rate goes up a percentage, then you're obviously going to make more money. You have a higher ROAS on your ads. Also, your upsells, downsells, cross-sells. How are you upselling people once they become a customer? That's going to increase your average order value, which will help you increase your ROAS, because if you have better tracking, those upsells will then be tracked and that can go over to your ROAS inside of, your Facebook Ad Manager. Now for landing pages, I use Zipify. Zipify Pages Builder can build landing pages like this. Now there's small tweaks that you can do to increase your ROAS, which is ultimately an increase in AOV, your average order value. And that is overall pushing more than one item, okay? Because if you're selling a low ticket product right now and you're not trying to sell a bundle or like a buy 2 get 1 free or whatever the case may be, you're missing out on a ton of revenue right now. This brand, more people, if you go here, more people are buying the 2 bottle and the 3 bottle more than the 1. Why? Because the whole landing page, every single image has more than 1, 2, and 3 bottles in it. It's got way more than 1. This one has like 9 bottles in it. This image has 3. This image has 2. And we make sure that this one shows up first when they're scrolling on mobile. This one has like 9 bottles in it. This one has 3. This one has 3. So we're framing you into thinking that you need more than one. Like literally, it's just framing. It's psychological framing. So that's been a huge AOV boost as well. And selling bundles is going to increase that AOV. Now, once they become a customer and you have congruent products that you can sell, then you can use Zipify OCU or one-click upsell Zipify OCU. This allows you to upsell people more products. So they buy the hair oil. The next upsell is, hey, get another 2 bottles for this price. More of the same converts better. Then the next upsell is the shampoo and conditioner. Faster or better results. Listen, you put this hair oil in your hair, 15, 30 minutes after, you got to use shampoo and conditioner to accelerate those results. Faster and better results to accelerate it. Make your hair fuller, healthier, longer, and stronger and fuller, okay? And that's the whole like faster or better results spectrum. Then we also upsell like a head scalp massager, because maybe you're using this stuff and you want to massage your head might be itching, whatever the case may be. This will allow you to upsell that as well. And then in the back end is, hey, listen, like you're getting people to convert, your conversion rate's up, your AOV's up, but listen, how are you converting people who don't buy right now? And that's with text cart, okay? Abandoned cart recoveries are very, very important for the business, because Shopify right now is, you might be sending like default emails through Shopify and you're only getting about a 7% to 10% recovery rate. With text cart, you could recover anywhere from 33% to over 50%. I have clients right now that are driving, 20 to 25% extra revenue every single month because they're able to recover, between 30 and 55% abandoned carts. These are people going to your checkout, not buying right away. You need to be able to get those people back in your ecosystem with a discount and then get them to buy, because then what happens is you get them back in the ecosystem, they buy, they get upsells, then they get emails. Like that's the way you really increase your AOV and your LTV moving forward for that customer journey and that product ladder. So I hope these tips helped you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.